Hello, welcome to Emax India. Today we will discuss about how we can add our students in Emax India admin panel. For this, firstly we have to open Emax website. Our official website is emaxindia.in. When you open our website, on home page you will receive an option of center login. When you click on center login option, you will receive a page where you have to fill your ID and password. Your ID and password at the time of your registration we was shared on your mail ID. But if anyone do not have their ID password, they can contact towards executives. When you fill your ID and password, then click on login button. When you click on login button, you will receive a page of dashboard. On dashboard, as you can see, there is a lot of options. How you can use these options, for that through our videos we already informed you. But now firstly we want to inform how we can add your student. For that, firstly click on student. When you click on student, you will receive a page where is an option of fees pending. Here you receive that kind of student list which fees you didn't submit it yet in Emax education portal. Fees received option. Here you receive that list of student, their fee you already submitted in Emax education. Certificate generated. Here you receive that kind of list of student that already certificate you generated through Emax portal. Student removed. Here you receive that list of student that student already removed through from your panel. Total student list. Here you receive that kind of list of student which you added from the beginning. Click on add student to enroll your students. When you click on add student, you will receive a page where is required category name select. Here you have to select the course name in which you want to add your student. Just like we want to add our student in ADCA course, we are mentioning here ADCA, then we will select this course name here. Then this complete page will be open. There you have to fill student complete data here. The second option you will receive course detail. Here you have to fill the subjects in which you are providing training to your students. If you have the same subjects which Emax have, you just mention as per site. But if you want to follow your own subjects, you can mention that subjects here. These same subjects you will receive on student certificates. Student name. Here you have to mention student name. Then student gender you have to select here, male, female. Then session. Session you have to mention here according to the course month, according to the months of the course duration. Just like if you are adding your students in 6-month course, you have to mention 6 month here. Just like we are adding this student in ADCA course which is 12-month courses. So we are mentioning here 12 months. After that, there is required option father name. We have to mention student's father name here. Guardian type. If student want their husband name required in their student certificates, then select on husband and mention student husband name. Then mother name of student. Then course fees. The course fee you charge from your student for whole course, you have to mention that amount here, because sometimes students will cross verify directly in Emax education what amount you are charging from your students. As we are mentioning here 12,000 we are charging from the students. Then qualification. Qualification of student you have to mention here. Then option required student image. For student image upload, you have to click on camera, then select student photograph and click on open. Then you can adjust here student photograph via zoom in and zoom out. When you adjust their photo, click on done button. Then this photo of student will be uploaded. This same student photo you will receive on student certificates. Then date of birth. Student date of birth you have to mention here. Then address. You have to fill the same address which you will receive in student's ID card, ID proof. There is required ID proof option. You have to select any ID proof of student like Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID. Here we are selecting Aadhaar card. There we have to fill ID number of the ID which we already selected here. Just like we selected here Aadhaar card. So we have to mention student's Aadhaar card ID number here. Now upload ID front side. For that, click on plus button. Then select student front ID proof and click on open. Here you can adjust student ID proof photo. Then click on crop button. When you click on crop button, the student ID proof will be uploaded. Same process will be followed for the back side. Click here. Select back side. Adjust photo. Crop. Student photo will be uploaded. Then upload admission form. For admission form, you can open Emax website. There is option downloads. You will receive student admission form here. Here you can download the student admission form and fill student details. Then you can upload when you enroll your students. And also if you have your own admission form, you can upload that one also in this. So for that, we will upload this photo. Same process we will follow in this work. Adjust student photo, crop. Student admission form will be uploaded here. Now, contact number. Student contact number you have to mention here. Then student email ID we have to mention here. As you can see, there is option you received here. Phone already exists. It means the number we mentioned here, this number we already used to add different student. So every time you have to mention a new number of student. Password. Password you have to select 4 to 5 characters minimum. Also we can see what password we had decided. Then when you click hereby I accept and agree to terms and conditions, and when you click on add student, direct you can see the student already added on this total student list. You can see the student details here. So through this video we learned how we can add our students on our admin panel. So if you have any feedback or update about your panel, please share them with us. Your feedback helps Emax India get better. Thank you.